You think you want to walk for me? There you go. There you go, big boy. Where are you going to go? Oh, goodness. It's kind of hard to walk and drink milk at the same time, isn't it? There he goes. Oh, now he's walking fast. Fancy feet, fancy feet. Oh. Put your milk down. There you go.
Hi.
Hi. Is that your new music toy? Is that your xylophone? Is that your xylophone? Car. Are you saying car? You see the cars outside? And can you say hat? Can you say hat? Hat. Can you say hat? Hat. Hat. Very good, baby. Car. Yeah, you're looking at the cars outside, huh? Oh, careful. You want to walk over to Mommy one more time? You want to walk over to Mommy? What do you think? Want to come get this? Want your milk? Are you going to crawl or are you going to walk? What are you going to do? Okay. Here. Oh, silly boy. Milk? Milk? Oh, that was the laundry. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. 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 Should I turn off the camera?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, walk one more time. There you go, big walker. Whoa! Crash. All right. Bye-bye.